Hello everyone, welcome to NIRA channel. Dear students, in the last class we have seen few examples from the exercise number 13.2. Today we discuss about the two examples. These are the last examples from this exercise, that is number 7. Let's try to understand the question, what they given, then what they ask the question to find. A solid consists of the right circular cone of a height 120 centimeter. One solid is there of the right circular cone of the height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on the hemisphere of the radius 60 centimeter. He is placed upright in the right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Take pi value is 22/7. See children, what they given here? Here they given one solid, that is in the cylindrical shape or solid, and inside the combination, you know about the combination figure. So inside one cone and the hemisphere is depressed in this cylinder. It is standing, otherwise you can say that it is standing upright in this cylinder. So cone and the hemisphere. Now see, this cylinder is the full of the water. If you kept the inside this solid figure means, and you have to remove, then what is the left water in this solid figure you have to find. Now by reading this question you can get the idea here. See what is the remaining water in the cylindrical shape, either this solid is removed means. Now solid is in the shape of the cone and the one hemisphere, correct. So volume of water left is equal to volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone and the hemisphere. Will get the water, how much will be left. So first I have to write the children what they given. A radius of hemisphere part is equal to radius of the cone, correct. They given from here to here 60 centimeter and they given the radius of this hemisphere. Now remember, this hemisphere is touches to the bottom of the cylinder, that is also 60 centimeter. So height of conical part solid is, how much is there? Total conical part, height of the conical part 120 centimeter, correct. So height of cylinder is equal to, on this 120 plus 60 is equal to how much? 180 centimeter is the height of cylinder. Now radius of cylinder is already given 6 centimeter. Now see formula, see same that volume of the water left is equal to volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So put the formulas here. So volume of cylinder, correct. So volume of total cylinder minus volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere, then you get this remaining part. So volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h minus into bracket volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h plus volume of the hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Then substitute the value. Pi you have to keep as it is. R square radius is 60 centimeter square into 8, height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter. Then put the values. So here in the bracket 1/3 pi r square means 60 square into height of the cone. See here height of the cone is 120. Height of cone is, that is 120, correct. Pi r square h plus hemisphere, about the hemisphere 2/3 pi as it is r cube, that is 60 centimeter cube. So is equal to pi 60 square as it is 180. Simplify this one. So children, see 1/3. Now see, I have to take the pi and 60 square is the common, because in this term pi and 60 square is there. Here also in this term, see 60 square pi is there. Here also pi and 60 cube is there. But common what I have to take here? Pi and 60 square is the common. So what is the remaining? So 180, this as it is 180 minus, so 1/3 pi, so r square, correct. 180, this one as it is a minus, see pi 60 square is the common, remaining 180 minus 1 by 3 and pi 2 common, 60 square is also 2 common, that is 120, correct, into 1 by 3. So this is a 1 by 3 into 120 plus this 2 by 3, pi is the common, 60 square is the also took that common already. Now 160 will be remain, so keep as it is. Then pi 60 square into bracket 180 minus, see the simplification, 3 1s are 3, 3 40s are 120. Similar 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 20 remains, 22s are 40. Correct. So minus into bracket 40 plus 40. So pi into 60 square means 36 square. Correct. 36 100 into bracket 180 minus 80 plus 80. 40 plus 40 80. Correct. Then 360 3600 into so 180 minus 80 100. That is into 100. This pi you have to keep as it is. So multiply 3600 into 100 is how much? 3,60,000 pi centimeter square. So pi value you have to put 3,60,000 into 22 by 7. Then you have to multiply and simplify. You will get the, see how much? You will get the 11,31,428.57 centimeter cube. Now centimeter cube you have to write in the meter cube. So you know that 1 meter cube is equal to how much? 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. So you have to divide it by the 10 lakh. We will get the 1.131 meter cube. Now this is the water left in the container, or you can say that this solid. I hope you understood, children. So let's move to the next example. See, last question of this exercise. A spherical glass has a cylinder neck 8 centimeter long. Correct? A spherical glass is there. See in the diagram. Diagram is not given. I dot that based on the question. Spherical glass has the cylinder neck 8 centimeter long. The length of this spherical glass is 8 centimeter long. 2 centimeter in the diameter. So diameter how much is there? Total from here to here 2 centimeter. The diameter of the spherical part. See the diameter of the spherical part. See here how much they given diameter of the spherical part? 8.5 centimeter. But radius, diameter is 8.5. Radius how much we get? 4.25 centimeter. So by measuring the amount of the water it hold, a child finds its volume. See, one child already they find the volume to be a 345 centimeter cube. Now already one child has find that volume of this container. How much it was there? 345 centimeter cube. Check whether C is correct. So either you have to check either this volume is correct, is there or wrong. Taking the Weber as the inside measurement and pi value is 3.14. Check either the volume of this container is, you will get the same or not. So solution here, children. See, first you have to write the given. So diagram already I explained about the diagram. So height of cylindrical part is 8 centimeter and radius of cylinder part is, see, diameter they given 2 centimeter, radius is how much? 1 centimeter. Then radius of the hemispherical part, radius you have to require. So diameter is they given 8.5, but radius how much here? 4.25 centimeter is the radius. Now come to the volume of the vessel is equal to volume of sphere plus volume of the cylinder. So total volume of vessel means total container is equal to, so volume of this cylinder plus volume of the full sphere. Correct, children? So is equal to, see, first I have to write the volume of the sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Sphere, not hemisphere, children. 4 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. Then substitute the value. See, all values you have to put and simplification. See here, you have to simplify and put the all values. Then see that you have to simplify this and this one. Will get the 321.3925 and multiply 8 into this one. So we'll get the 25.12. So add this one. We'll get the 346.512. But how much is solved here? How much you got that answer? 345. But here how much came that? 346.512. So hence C is the wrong. Correct, children? I hope you understood, children. So these two examples from the exercise number 13.2 we solved. Now last one more concept there remains. We'll see in the next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.